In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit food in MyFitnessPal using an easy guide. Whether you're tracking your meals for healthy living or managing your dietary intake, navigating MyFitnessPal efficiently is crucial to meeting your fitness goals. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your MyFitnessPal app on your mobile device. It's a widely used application, known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive tracking capabilities. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure you're all set up with an account. Once you have the app open, you'll notice it prompts you to log in. You'll want to click on the login button, which will take you to a screen where you'll enter your login credentials. Here, simply type in your registered email address and the corresponding password. Keep these details secure and handy, as they are your gateway to accessing all your personalized data and meal logs. After entering your credentials, click on the login button once again. Now you should find yourself on the MyFitnessPal homepage. From here, click on the diary, a feature designed to act as your digital journal for all things food and exercise. It's the hub where you can input and monitor your daily intake. Once in your diary, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where the magic of meal tracking happens. To add a new food entry, click on Add Food. This option allows you to introduce new foods to your diary. You'll be directed to a page that lists all the meals of the day: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Select the meal course you want to add food to. For instance, if you're logging what you had for lunch, click under the lunch section. Next, you need to select the specific food item you want to add. You can either search through the vast MyFitnessPal database or choose from your list of frequent items. This step is crucial because the accuracy of your entries directly affects your tracking results. Be as specific as possible with your food choices to ensure precise calorie counting and nutritional information. Once you've found your item, click on the number of servings. This is where you can adjust the portion size based on what you've consumed. If you had more than the default serving size or less, make the necessary changes here. Choose the number of servings that correctly reflects what you ate. Precision in this step is key as it fine-tunes your caloric and nutritional tracking. After verifying your serving details, click on Save. This secures your entry into the diary, and you can see your totals update in real time, providing you with a comprehensive view of your dietary habits. Now you've successfully edited food in your MyFitnessPal account. By following these simple and straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage and edit your food entries within MyFitnessPal. With consistent use, you'll be well on your way to achieving your dietary goals.